Hey guys, and welcome to a very special episode. As many of you know, October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and I myself am a big supporter because I love boobies. So while the rest of the fitness tip series is being filmed, I wanted to do a video on how you can lower your chances of getting breast cancer. Please keep in mind that following these tips does not guarantee that you won't get breast cancer, but will help lower your chances. I will also go over a breast cancer test that you can do yourself. So grab a pen and paper and get ready to take some notes. So tip number 1, exercise more. A lot of people hate exercising, and that's not good at all. The goal is to be active. So start going for a walk in the evenings, take your dog, take the neighbor's dog, skip the elevator and take the stairs. The main goal is to be active, and that's very important, guys. Number 2, maintain a healthy weight. So a study found that women who gained 60 pounds after the age of 18 tripled their risk of developing breast cancer compared to those who only gained 20 pounds. Even scarier was the fact that these women also seemed to have an increased risk of developing a faster spreading type of cancer. That's not good at all. So make sure you're always within the healthy range, and remember that not all skinny is healthy. Number 3, eat more veggies. Colorful vegetables are full of carotenoids and antioxidants that will fight cell damage by eliminating cancer-causing substances. So I know a lot of you may not like vegetables, but it's very important. So make sure you include these fibrous carbs as a part of your nutrition plan. Number 4, know your family history. By knowing your risks, you are more likely to take the preventative steps necessary and to do the screenings on time. Now, breast cancer can happen to both males and females. So regardless if you have a prior family history or not, you should be getting screened on time. Step 5. Women, please breastfeed your babies. Studies suggest that women who breastfeed their babies for at least 15 months over their lifetime reduce their risks of breast cancer by 4%. Now whether that be 4% or 40%, anything helps. So please make sure that you breastfeed your babies. Number 6. Eat more omega-3s. Omega-3 fatty acids help fight inflammation and inhibit the growth of breast cancer tumors. Eat walnuts, oily fish like sardine, buy ground flaxseed and sprinkle it on your cereal or add it to your vegetable servings every day. I personally myself make sure that I get my omega-3s in. I usually take it in a supplement form because I find it a bit more convenient. Number 7, drink green tea. Green tea is filled with antioxidants. It can decrease the production of estrogen, a hormone which causes the breast cancer tumor to grow, and it can also shut off blood supply to tumors. Green tea alone is like a 3-in-1 punch to beat breast cancer. So not only is green tea good for beating breast cancer, but it's also good for those of you who are looking to get rid of body fat. I myself need green tea first thing in the morning to get my day started. Number 8. Think twice about taking estrogen and progesterone for 5 years or longer. Prolonged use of combined hormone therapy can increase the risk of breast cancer. So if you are taking either estrogen or progesterone, please make sure that you do not use it for 5 years or longer. Number 9, watch your consumption of alcohol, which you should be if you're trying to be healthy. Alcohol can affect estrogen levels in the body, which causes an increased risk of breast cancer in women. So women, try to limit yourself to the amount of drinks you have. I would also recommend that to men. Once every now and then is not a bad thing, but steering away from it is a good idea, especially if you're trying to be healthy. Lastly, number 10, eat more spices. Don't be afraid of spices because the antioxidants in some spices like turmeric can stop inflammation and inhibit tumor growth. What can I say? Eat more spices. So the self-breast exam can be done in 3 ways. 1, in the shower. 2, in front of a mirror. And 3, lying down. So if you plan to do the self-breast exam in the shower, the way you go about doing it is using the pads of your fingers, move around the entire breast in a circular pattern, moving from the outside to the center, checking the entire breast and armpit area. Check both breasts each month, feeling for any lump, thickness, or hardening knot. If you notice any changes, please get it evaluated by your health provider. If you plan to do this in front of a mirror, you want to visually inspect your breasts with your arms at your sides. Next, raise your arms high overhead and look for any changes in the contour, any swelling or dimples of the skin, or even changes in the nipples. Next, rest your palms on your hips and press firmly to flex your chest muscles. Left and right breasts will not exactly match. Few women's breasts do, so look for any dimples, puckering, or changes, particularly on one side. When lying down, the breast tissue spreads out evenly along the chest wall. Place a pillow under your right shoulder and your right arm behind your head. Using your left hand, move the pads of your fingers around your right breast gently in a small circular motion covering the entire breast area and armpit. Use light, medium, and firm pressure. Squeeze the nipples, checking for discharge and lumps. Repeat these steps for your left breast. Please remember that mammography can detect tumors before they can be felt, so screening is very important. I think I speak for all of us when I say, we love boobies. So let's kill breast cancer for good. I really hope you guys found this video helpful and informative. If so, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming content. Feel free to share this video with your family and friends and help spread the word on how you can prevent and possibly beat breast cancer.